Hello and welcome to workshop number 10, and it is titled Tap Meshing Anchor Geometry and Verifying Mesh Quality. Our anchor geometry has already been created, so basically what we're trying to do with this is an analysis, and of course we need a mesh. So we're going to go right into meshing, and it's going to be a solid type mesh. And what we're going to try to do is use a TET10 mesh, and under input list we're going to we're going to select our entire solid, solid 1. Our value, we set it at 20. What we're going to do is just go ahead and click apply. So our mesh is complete, as you can see. And now we're going to verify our boundaries. So we're going to go into verify element boundaries, and we want to go ahead and see the free faces. We're going to apply it. And those are the free faces, the area analyzed in gold of our solid. Now we're going to run some tests to determine the quality, and we're going to verify TET all to run all the tests that we can. Verify TET all. Just go ahead and click apply. So we're running a test, as you can see on your screen. Now we're going to try to analyze our results, and our tests, our pores. We need to check the quality of our mesh, and there is a lot of failures, but there's an infinite amount of elements, no, a finite amount of elements. So we need to make sure that our aspect and our collapse won't fail, and the Jacobian ratio, of course. Although some tests did not run due to our MSC Nastran specifications, but we do have a good number of cases that do succeed. So now we're going to go and fringe plot our aspect ratio. We're going to go into aspect, and we're going to set our aspect ratio to a value near 5. So this may take a little while just to make sure we're good. We're going to set it at exactly 5 just to make sure. We're going to click apply, and then we're going to see view corner to show up close what we're doing. So we're just going to hit apply. That's our aspect ratio in the bright colors, and we're going to go into view corners, and we're going to zoom into here where our aspect ratio is the same. So now, after doing this, we're going to go into another mesh, and we're going to do it a little different now. So let's start by going to create mesh on the solid. It's a TET10 mesh, and we're going to go into the parameters, and what we're going to do is limit a few parameters Going to go with 0.5 for the maximum height length, and our global edge is going to be 0.1. We'll click OK, and our global length, we're going to change it to 0.5. I'm pretty sure Patron's not going to allow us to keep that just because we have a student version model. So you're just gonna keep it at 20. That's what we're gonna do. If not, there's gonna be too many elements. So it's again solid 1, apply, and yes, we're gonna delete the previous. This is our new mesh. It's a lot. The elements are a lot bigger, but it's more useful. So we're gonna run all our tests again, and we're gonna analyze the improvements. So sorry about that. We're gonna go verify TET all. We're gonna apply it. Some tests aren't available, but that's okay. We can check out now that our worst cases are a lot smaller, and there's a lot less failures than a more specific mesh. So that's why the TET mesh is a good tool to verify your analysis. And that's it for this workshop. Thank you for paying attention, and we'll see you next time.